What's up, folks? It's the Big Durka. Spring's here. I'm out here in the shed, checking on the motorcycle. Gonna check the tire pressure, fluids, crank it up. Make sure all the blinkers, lights work. Shed is packed right now. It's my YZF 600RR, aka the Thundercat. It's a 07. It's the last year of production. Been thinking about trading it in, selling it, but I'm gonna enjoy it while I still have it. Got the Pirellis on there. First year I had it, I did drop it, and you can see where I put some touch-up paint right there. That Gorilla Glue got through after it dried. Definitely need to wash it, clean it. It's got mud from where loading other stuff in here. Truck got stuck, tossed mud everywhere. When I get it out, I will show you guys what it looks like. Got the Vance & Huns exhaust pipe at the end. Let's see here. Give it a crank. Everything's sounding good, looking good. It's carbureted, and I probably need to clean that out soon. Brakes felt good.